Business travel sounds glamorous, but it's really not. If anything, it's way more stressful because what you wear on those days can make or break how polished and comfortable you feel. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what to wear and pack for work travel. And this applies to all genders, all ages, all sizes, all professional titles as well. These are the proven methods that I have used myself, and over 500 plus clients from Next Level Wardrobe have used them too. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to share the one layering strategy that keeps my clients comfortable and stylish when they are traveling, when they're on the go, and it always makes them look sharp if they have to go to an event right off of the plane. I'm Cassandra, founder of Next Level Wardrobe, and here's what makes this video different. I'm not just another influencer telling you to throw on a hoodie and sneakers. I've worked in every dress code in New York City, in London, in LA. I've traveled constantly in my career, and now my team and I style executives and professionals every single day. We help them systematize their style. So what I'm about to share isn't just theory, it's an exact system and proven strategies for clients who travel globally for board meetings, conferences, and consulting gigs. Let's start with a foundation. Comfort that doesn't look sloppy. For women, for your bottoms, I want you to wear pants that have stretch in them, and extra credit if you can find pants that have an elastic band and a draw cord, which is awesome because you're probably going to be bloated when you are traveling. Now for the top, you can pair your pants with a breathable knit. For men, I want you to upgrade your joggers because that just looks really frumpy when you're traveling. And instead, I want you to use a tailored tech trouser. Viore has them, Lulu has them. They're so comfortable and they are going to move with you throughout the day. Now, instead of wearing an old hoodie, I want you to wear a refined knit, a polo, or a lightweight merino sweater, depending on the weather. Now, the key is structure. Your clothes should have enough polish that you can walk straight into a meeting, straight into a dinner without changing or getting stressed out. Airplanes are so unpredictable. I know so many of you, like myself, have experience. It could be boiling hot outside. You step onto a plane and you feel like you are in Antarctica. So the solution is breathable layers, 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 layers. So I teach clients how to build a three-part layering system. Number one is your base layer. So you are going to have a breathable tee or a blouse. Then on top of that, you are going to have a mid layer, a lightweight knit or a button-down blouse. And then the top layer is going to be a blazer, an overcoat, a jacket that is going to travel well. And here's a pro tip. I want you to avoid heavy fabrics that trap heat. Nothing worse than landing in Miami in December and sweating through your blazer. In a minute, I'm going to show you two specific fabrics that I recommend to clients because they always look fresh after a flight. Okay, let's dive into fabrics a little bit more. For the best materials for business travel are wrinkle-resistant, breathable, and easy to pack. For both men and women, I recommend merino wool for knits or for tops or for bottoms or layering pieces because it's going to regulate temperature and it doesn't trap odor. It also doesn't wrinkle from my experience. Next, performance blends for trousers and blazers because they are going to keep their shape after sitting for hours. Now, performance blends, when I say that, are fabrications that you could wear to the gym to work out, but they are going to be in a day-to-day silhouette. So for example, instead of wearing a tight black legging that you would wear to work out in a performance fiber or fabric, you instead are going to wear a wide leg culotte in a performance fabric, and it's going to look more appropriate for daytime, and you're not going to look like you just stepped off the treadmill. And this is why having a system matters. I cannot stress this enough. So with the NLW style system, once you lock in the right fabrics, the right silhouettes, the right colors that you need, getting dressed for travel travel becomes effortless, and you are going to be able to pack in a carry-on only every single time. Here is where most professionals go wrong. They pack way too much. You don't need 10 different outfits for a 4-day trip. Don't worry, you are not going to miss that ugly sweater if you keep it at home and you don't put it in your suitcase. And so instead, I want you to create a travel capsule, and you can do one for each season so you know exactly what to wear. The travel capsule that I recommend, typically, it depends how long your trip is, but 2 pairs of pants, 3 tops, 1 layering piece, you can do a blazer, and 1 pair of shoes. Okay. If you want to take 2, you can, since you're going to wear 1. Now, that formula will give you 6 outfits without overpacking. And again, this is why the NLW style system is so important, because you're going to have all those ingredients in your closet and it's going to take you less than 10 minutes to pack. Now, this strategy works for everyone, all genders, all ages, all sizes, no matter your dress code. Less luggage, more outfits. It is one of the biggest style upgrades that my clients thank me for. And I don't just give you this advice, I practice it myself. My claim to fame, and one thing I am very proud of, is I took a 6-week trip and I packed in a carry-on and a backpack only. So I used the NLW style system. I had all the right ingredients in my closet, in the right color, in the right fit. So packing was a breeze. And not only did I do it for myself, I did it for my husband as well. And since then, the goal is always carry on only. Here's a picture of me on our way to Africa recently with my husband, and this is what we packed for a 2-week trip. Shoes. How many of you overpack on shoes? This is where a lot of people go wrong, because shoes take up so much space. So we need to consolidate the shoes that you take and really be honest about what you are going to wear. For women, I want you to opt for loafers, block heel boots in the colder months that are easy to walk in. You also need a comfortable walking shoe. So we are going to do a daytime sneaker, not a gym sneaker. You're going to do a daytime sneaker because that's probably going to go with a lot of your looks. Same for men. So men, you need a daytime sneaker. You're not wearing Allbirds anymore. And for guys, I usually recommend leather slip-ons. If in the colder months you can do a boot as well, it's totally up to you. Don't forget accessories either. Sleek headphones, jewelry, eyeglasses, sunglasses, bags as well. These all fall under the accessory umbrella, and they are a fun way to amp up your travel look. Let's recap the 5 rules for business travel. 1, smart comfort. 2, breathable layering. 3, wrinkle-resistant fabrics. 4, I want you to pack a capsule collection. And number 5, upgrade shoes and accessories. These rules are gender neutral and proven on 500 plus clients. They are so good, I use them on myself, and they are going to make you look so put together and sophisticated no matter where you are traveling to. And again, you're going to have that carry-on only. If this video was helpful, I want you to hit that subscribe button, because I share proven style strategies for professionals every single week. I have a new video coming out, and I want to hear from you in the comments. What is your biggest challenge with packing or dressing for travel? I read every single one, and I can't wait to help you.